Hello everyone! So I've only had this GoPro Hero 7 for not even a week now, and I'm so impressed by how the stabilization works, the Hypersmooth, and how amazing it is when it's attached to my drone flying around. I thought there's got to be another place I can really use that. And something in the past that's been really cool is to put a GoPro on an RC car and try to race it around a track. But with all of the vibrations, it makes it really hard to watch. But I thought maybe, just maybe, this Hypersmooth technology can smooth out those bumps just enough to make racing around a track more enjoyable. Maybe even it'll make it nice and smooth. I don't know. So I created this rig to put it on my four-wheel drive buggy out of the holder that holds the GoPro in the box. I attached it to where the wing would be on my buggy, and I'm gonna race it around the track a little bit, hopefully without breaking anything, and see how it goes. All right, I think I've got all the GoPros recording. So that was not tight enough. Alright, well that worked. Let's try to change some GoPro settings and see how it goes. So this video is 4K, 60 frames per second wide with Hypersmooth on. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so I just finished doing a few laps around the track with the GoPro 7 with stabilization mode on the back of my car, and it was, as I expected, it was very difficult to drive. The car didn't have a rear fin, and it likes to have a fin, plus the added weight back there made it really behave weird and everything, but it was a lot of fun, and I'm very curious to see what happens when I go back to look at the footage and see what it's like.